Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti from AnthonyMorganti.com. Welcome to my video series, The Filters of Aurora HDR 2018. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Polarizing filter that's available in Aurora HDR 2018. Now, those of you that have used a circular polarizer on your camera lens knows that it's a very effective tool to enhance the sky in any landscape or cityscape image. And the polarizing filter does exactly that. It's a single slider called a mount, and you just move it to the right. And in this case of the cityscape, it's enhancing the blue sky and adding a little contrast to the clouds. And that is exactly what a circular polarizer would do for you. So very easy to use. Just whenever you have an image that has any sky in it and you want to enhance the blue of the sky and add a little bit of contrast to any clouds that might happen to be in the sky, just move this filter slider amount to the right. And it works like a charm. So very simple to use. Thank you, everyone that watches my videos. I truly do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.